If you have Wi-Fi that requires sign-in to Portal for access to internet, then this video will demonstrate how hacker can make exact same Wi-Fi and jam your original Wi-Fi to get your Portal credentials to get access to your internet. This video is completely for educational purpose. Go to Ethhacks official page and go to Wireless-Toolkit. Click on code and either download it as zip or copy the link. If you copied the link, open the terminal and type git clone and paste the link and hit enter. It will download the required files. Type ls to check for Wireless-Toolkit folder. Type cd Wireless-Toolkit. Again, type ls to list files of Wireless-Toolkit. There is a file named requirements.txt file, which contains all Python 3 modules required for this tool. You can install these one by one manually if you found any error while installing them using requirements.txt file, or just type sudo pip3 install our requirements.txt to install at once. To run the tool, type sudo python 3 main.py. To clone a Wi-Fi with captive portal to captures credentials using that captive portal, make sure that the target Wi-Fi network should be an open network, and it should have captive portal. So, you can only using Evil Twin Type 1 attack if you want to clone the Wi-Fi network to capture the credential using that captive portal, because the Evil Twin Type 2 is used to capture Wi-Fi password. And as for cloning the Wi-Fi having same captive portal, Wi-Fi network should be open. So select Evil Twin Type 1 option by typing corresponding number 2. Now you need to select 2 wireless adapters. One adapter for creating fake open Wi-Fi with captive portal and second adapter for deauthentication attack on target network. I selected WLAN 2 and WLAN 1 respectively. Then, type time in seconds for scanning nearby networks. On right bottom, you can see that I have created a network named Free Wi-Fi, and I have a captive portal which automatically opens once I connect it to that network. I select this network as target network in tool by typing corresponding number 1. Now to make a clone Wi-Fi of target network, the fake Wi-Fi should also have the similar captive portal as that of target network. For this, select second option, that is captive portal of Wi-Fi network, by typing corresponding number 1. You asked for folder name in which you want to save files of target captive portal. I named it as Free Wi-Fi. Captive portal is successfully captured and saved, and the attack is start that will deauthenticate all traffic of target network and create the exactly same cloned Wi-Fi so that the traffic of target network get connected to it. On bottom right, you can see my mobile was connected to target network and then get connected to fake Wi-Fi, and my mobile not recognized it and behaved as it is still connected to original network. I noticed that my mobile is now connected to fake network only when I get sign-in option for captive portal again on notification, as you saw in white circle. Now, when I typed anything in email and password field of captive portal, the tool captured it and show it on terminal. In this way, a hacker can make clone Wi-Fi network that would have similar captive portal as that your Wi-Fi to sign in to get Wi-Fi access and could capture your sign-in credentials. You can see that on second time, I typed at example and pass an email and password field respectively, and tool captured it and showed on terminal. Now to close the attack, I typed Ctrl+C, and tool ask if you want to save the credentials that you captured during this session. I typed N for not saving the credential and pressed enter to completely close the attack. Now, if you want to protect yourself from these types of wireless attack, check out Wireless Protect tool that you can download from our GitHub page. You can learn to use Wireless Protect tool by watching demonstration video on YouTube or visit our website for documentations. Thank you.